So we have with us today on the Motivate episode 8, Babita Ji Hazarika, Chief Dietitian from Apollo Hospitals, Kolkata. Thank you so much, and I'm extremely sorry for the delay. I extend my sincere apology to everybody. I would request participants to please use this opportunity to interact with Babita Ji. And Babita Ji, we have quite a few of them right now. Some of them are on camera, some of them are not on camera, but onekei ache ei group tate. So I would request you to first say something about the Motivate 2021 and how it feels to be a motivator.
First of all, namaste. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to interact with people who I think are really greatly motivated. And before the session, I would like to the wonderful ladies logged in. Happy Women's Day. And since it is the theme is lose 21 in 2021, so we are targeting at less than 2 kgs in a month, and I think that is really it is achievable. And the the motto itself, okay, that you lose 2021 in 2021, I think it should go rocking. So by the end of 21, we see each one of you all, being slim and trim and healthy, of course.
Okay. So ekhane jara ache, I would request you all to kindly ask your questions to Babita Ji. Gautam is in police, and I'm very happy Gautam Sengupta ke ajke pechi. ও আমাদের একজন ইন্সপায়ারার, বাট মাঝে মাঝে ও মোটিভেটরও, বিকজ হি রিয়েলি রিডিউসেস আ লট, বাট এখন হি ইজ উইথ মোটিভেট অ্যাজ এন ইন্সপায়ারার হু হ্যাজ প্লেজড 20 kilos. সো গৌতম, যা প্রশ্ন আছে প্লিজ ফিল ফ্রি।
ম্যাম, গুড আফটারনুন।
গুড আফটারনুন, টেল মি মিস্টার গৌতম।
ম্যাম, আমার দুটো ছোট ছোট কোয়েশ্চেন রয়েছে। ফার্স্ট অফ অল, ডাজ intermittent fasting helps?
See, intermittent fasting, it is not for everyone. And if you do intermittent fasting, definitely it has to be, see, any diet, these are the fad diets that we talk about, intermittent fasting, keto diet, Atkins diet. Like, I feel these type of diets, it should be done under the supervision of a professional, number one. And secondly, it needs to be sustainable, okay? So in me, as a motivator in this program, I would just want to say that it is the best way to go to our basics, that we had 3 major meals with 3 tiny snacks, or maybe 2 snacks, okay? I think that type of a diet is very sustainable. After all, it is a family, it is with the family that you're taking the meal, okay? Just think about, you are just taking one meal with your family. Can that be carried on for a very long period of time? Unless until you have a lot of, problems because of weight.
Yes, ma'am. And there are 2 other questions. One is, does fasting helps? If yes, how many days a man or somebody who is into a motivational goal of losing weight should fast? Once a week or twice a week?
Fasting, if you ask me, I will not, go for fasting. It is, you need to eat the right food at the right amount, so that you do not go for, like, you do not develop any macronutrient, and especially the micronutrient deficiency.
True. Okay. And the last question, ma'am, I have a typical hormonal issue of getting spikes of estrogen whenever I'm into an off mood, or out of exercise, or in a non-balanced diet. I get a general spike of estrogen. It is only because of food habits, or anything else that is required for the corrections and all?
I don't think
if yes, can it be corrected through proper diet and all?
Through proper diet, I don't think it is going to give you a very, very positive, but definitely diet plays a role in every problem, okay? But I think you need to see a doctor why you're having the fluctuations of the hormones.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sudeshna Basu.
Yes, my question to Bhavita ma'am would be uh, actually what I want to know is people are saying that instead of normal rice, we should be having brown rice.
Brown rice.
So,
Okay.
is there any help in having brown rice instead of
See the
what we
benefits
usually
of
have?
yeah, like I tell you, rice. When you talk about rice as a whole, say like the various varieties of the white rice and the brown rice, the nutritional values are similar as far as the carbohydrates, the calories, the proteins, and the fats are concerned. But the best part of the brown rice why is it, first of all, why is it brown in color? Because it has the husk in it, right? Like
Right.
when we when we sieve atta, so we get some husk behind, like left in the sieve, right? So the same husk is there in the coating of the rice. So it is not a very polished rice, right? So there is always a good thing to have unpolished food. So when you talk about brown rice, the amount of fiber in brown rice are definitely much more than the white polished rice. So since the fiber is more, you tend to eat less, and the satiety is more, right? So with less amount of rice, you will be feeling full. So you will not have a craving of taking more rice. So that is only the goodness of having brown rice because of the fiber content, and you tend to eat lesser amount of rice because the satiety is more with fiber.
Is it the same thing with brown bread or
See, Sudeshna, one thing regarding brown bread. First of all, when you buy brown bread, you need to be sure that you're buying from an authentic place. It has to be authentic brown bread, not a white bread with some, cocoa powder or maybe caramelized sugar put into that, looking brown, right? So actual brown bread is definitely better for the same reason as I have said for the brown rice.
Thank you, ma'am. These were the questions that I had.
Okay. Next, যে প্রশ্ন করতে চাও এই গ্রুপে যারা আছো তারা প্লিজ জাস্ট রেজ ইওর হ্যান্ড ফিজিক্যালি অর ডাজন্ট ম্যাটার। আর যারা আমাদেরকে লাইভে দেখছে তাদের যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে ইউ ক্যান কমেন্ট অ্যান্ড ইউ ক্যান আস্ক, কারণ আজকে উই গেটিং দিস অপরচুনিটি টু ইন্টারাক্ট উইথ the chief dietitian Babita Ji Hazarika from Apollo. It's a Sunday, but it's not a holiday for us, and thanks to Motivate 2021. Amrita.
Hi, I'm sorry I joined in a bit late. Just wanted to check on this whey protein thing where a lot of dietitians actually kind of recommend a whey protein powder for weight loss as a meal replacement. How effective is it? And whatever whey protein we get online, are they really authentic? Or which whey protein should we buy if we should buy at all? That's my question.
So see, whey protein is the protein that you're getting from milk, right? So the availability, see, every protein has got a biological value, and that is the net protein utilization by our body. Apart from that, there is also a scoring called the protein digestibility scoring. Okay, that is called the Pitika score. Whey protein is a good protein because it is taken up very, very fast. So people going to the gym, they are recommended a lot of whey protein, but there is a person you need to be careful of what type of whey protein and what is the amount of whey protein that you would be taking. Protein, I said, it gives you a little bit of fullness, okay, and it will be taking care of the various amino acids, okay. So definitely you can go for whey protein, but whey protein as a meal replacement only. Like by the way, Amrita, I would want to ask you, why do you want to go for a meal replacement?
No, I don't want to. There was somebody who has suggested.
Okay.
So, and I was a little apprehensive because I'm lactose intolerant myself. So I wanted to check with you that whether I could kind of have a whey protein as part of a protein, because I usually have my chicken and meat as protein, right? So, and because I'm lactose intolerant, I only stick to curd and nothing else. So
Mhm.
I had this question. I don't want to go for a meal replacement.
Okay, because the whey proteins are available as lactose free, and definitely it is going to be a gluten free because it is whey. So it
Right.
is commercially available in all medical stores, which we use in quite a large amount for our critically ill patients. So you can go for whey protein, but the amount is more important than the type of the protein.
All right. Got it. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Rajeshi Gupta, she is, of course, a good motivator. She is above 50 and a regular walker. She's always very conscious. She will always pick and choose. And Ajke, she was the first one to log in. Rajeshi Gupta, please. And second, I think there is, okay. I think you have to unmute. Mute kora ache.
Yeah, I think it's fine now. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me.
I am 56 and I weigh 60 kgs, but because of a family history of hypertension, I suffer from hypertension for the last 10 years. So
Mhm.
I just want to ask you, my doctors have told me to cut down on salt. That I do. I do not take salt in my diet as it is, but I just wanted to ask you, can an egg a day keep the doctor away for hypertension patients? How many
Yes.
can we have in a week? I have just one, but I love eggs.
Yeah. As far as hypertension is concerned, yes, the doctor would have always prescribed a low sodium diet. But low sodium diet does not mean only the table salt that you're seeing. Like we talked about the salt,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So it is also the amount of processed foods, and if you take some canned foods and taking in the brine, like the soap, that the canned food that is not soaked in that, the brine or maybe in the oil, okay? So
Yeah.
that also contains a lot of
Right.
salt, okay?
Yeah.
Cheese also has got salt. So you need to be, you need to now make a habit of reading the nutritional labels, which will talk about amount of sodium that is there in per serving. Okay, that is
Right.
firstly.
Yeah.
Secondly, regarding eggs, it is now the time that like it is the guidelines say that you can definitely take eggs. Okay, eggs are the best type of
Okay.
protein, having all the amino acids. Biological value is high. Net protein utilization is high. Silica score is high. A whole egg can be taken every day, and egg white definitely more often. But
Yeah.
a caution there again, how are you going to take the egg? It is better if you take a water poach, or maybe prepare an omelet in a non-stick so that your oil consumption is less.
Yeah, I always take a boiled egg, I don't take, I do not cook with too much of oil. So it's okay. Thank you. Thanks, Atan.
So I think
Answering
you
my
can
question.
enjoy your egg now.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
This is how we like to do it. That's right.
Karma. We are not doing any magic. What you do is what you gain out of it. So this is the karmic account where your actions will finally decide your results. We do provide the intermediation where our trainers, our setup is such, it should motivate you enough to think that you should be fit. You should be fit to carry out your daily activities. We are not looking at bigger things to accomplish. Maybe not each one of us goes out mountain climbing or something of the sort, but for our daily regular activities, we need to feel the strength, the energy. Life these days is stressful and we are on the run all the time. Let's make it a productive one. Let's make it a happy one. So this is about karma. The module of karma is a neighborhood gym. Something where you can walk in and it becomes a part of your regular routine. We are located in South Kolkata and we have 3 centers. One is on the Hazra Road, One is in Sarad Bose Road, and this is one that you are in is Lake Avenue, which is again on the Southern Avenue belt. By God's grace, we will expand, we will do good, we will reach out each one of you, we will reach out to every household, and we want fitness to be in the city, in across the city. Shaktivar Nari, strong woman, is someone who can lead by an example. Someone who is stronger herself to carry the value. When I say strong, it is physically strong, mentally strong, and such that she can take in all challenges of life. Physical strength is very, very important. Earlier, there were few things which were defined that, women cannot do. I want to break free that. So comes in the Nari Shakti, and I think a week is not enough for her too. That is why it's a week-long celebration, but we want to carry this feeling through the year. This is something we all women look forward to. As you see, Rupsha, we've got in the planner that you see here, the activities are something like yoga and meditation. We have a diet workshop, we have Zumba, we have fitness workshops and high energy workouts. Now each woman is different, her tastes are different. As a matter of fact, we are so versatile that probably today I just feel like doing some yoga stretches and tomorrow I feel like dancing. So this is in all, you need to decide and think what is about you, what is good for you. So we have this set of workouts. Fitness as such, when we say, is a combination of workouts as well as the diet being taken care of. Because probably a 1 hour or a 2 hours of workout is not enough. What you are eating or the kind of lifestyle you have for the rest of the day is again important. And trust me, fitness is just not coming to the gym. It is what you do through and through the day, your lifestyle, how suddenly things should start changing for you. You have to live a healthy lifestyle because that's what is going to carry you forth. And not just those inches you lose or those muscles you gain. So it's a complete makeover, a makeover of a new you. Dear woman, dear girl, keep that spirit alive within you. Let nothing stop you because you're a woman. In fact, you are way beyond. So keep the challenge on. Be strong stand strong in anything and everything you do. Show your inner strength to the world. It's your time. It'll always be your time.
Turzo is from Dhaka. Turzo আর Sharmeen ওরা বাংলাদেশে করেছে. Zahidul Rahman, Turzo, please.
Ma'am, I want to ask a question.
Yeah.
My weight is now 74 and I'm stuck in 74. Cannot deduct. So can you please suggest me some diet plan or what should I not eat?
You are 74 kgs and what's your
74 kg. Height is 5 feet 4 inch.
So in 5 feet 4, you need to come down to around 66, 62, maybe at the most, right? So we are looking at the weight loss of 14 kgs, right? And it's absolutely doable in -21 in 2021. That is, if you follow a scheduled diet plan of equal spacing of the carbohydrate, definitely a lower calorie diet, and along with that, some amount of activity. I'm not telling you to go to the gym, maybe just walking and this.
Yeah, I'm regular, ma'am. I'm regular in gym, but should I skip carbohydrate like rice or roti?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Sorry. Some amounts of carbohydrate is necessary in each of your meals. If I talk about 3 major meals, right? So you have to have some carbohydrate in the breakfast, some in the lunch, and some in the dinner. Okay, so that will be good. Remember, if you do not take food for a long period of time, your body knows that calories is to be stored. So that gets stored, right? So it is better to eat and improve your metabolism so that it helps you to lose on your weight.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Zahidur is somebody who loves his biryani, and the red meat has to.
I do.
Oh, I think biryani is a favorite for most of us, and definitely a mutton biryani if I'm right.
Yeah,
তো
absolutely,
সপ্তাহে
ma'am.
কদিন বিরিয়ানি খাওয়ার অ্যালাউড আছে?
Softai, I cannot tell you. Even if you take it, often you have to look into the portion size. You cannot take a full plate of say 250 grams or 300 grams of biryani. So that portion size is to be reduced, and you have to, make it complete. You can have some raita with some, with cucumber, tomatoes, or maybe onions, and you pick up half of the potato so that adds into the carbohydrate. Okay, and you get the protein from the piece of leaner mutton, not a full of fat. Your portion size is important.
পোর্শন সাইজ হচ্ছে ইম্পর্টেন্ট, কারণ বিরিয়ানি ছাড়া তো আর জীবন চলবে না আমাদের, বাট কম করে খেতে হবে। And he's from Dhaka, so all the kachi biryani and tihari,
yes,
and
all that is there.
all
Yes,
the delicious things in
Abuli pulao.
Pulao, yeah. And your mutton and your chicken roast is also there, very common.
Yes.
Yeah.
So while we are talking about food and planning what not to eat, এটাই হচ্ছে এখন সবচেয়ে চ্যালেঞ্জ, because Motivate is all about thinking Sunday is not about the compulsory mutton and bhat. So this is
Ruksha, yeah, Ruksha, I will put it in another way. Maybe we can talk about what to eat, not what not to eat, because we all know khichdi khabo na, aloo khabo na, right, bhat kom khabo, but what are we going to eat, right? And that
আমাদের এখানে একটা ভিনেগার সেল হয়, অ্যাপেল সিডার ভিনেগার, এবং যেই ডায়েটিশিয়ানদের কাছে যাওয়া হয় সবাই বলে যে এইটা খেলে খুব ফাস্ট weight loss হয়. Is it true, or is it working?
Yes, research paper says that apple cider vinegar around the 1 tablespoon, that is 3 TSC in the morning, will do you good. But remember, when you take apple cider vinegar, you cannot have it in large amounts, and secondly, you cannot continue it for months together. Maybe a few months, and then you need to give a gap. You will not continue apple cider vinegar for a long period of time.
Okay, then 3 months or 4 months, right?
Yeah.
Then have to skip.
Then you have to stop. Then again, maybe continue and just find out if you are getting good results. Oh yes, it's good. But
what will be the?
You know what? By having only your apple cider vinegar in the morning and having a very very high calorie diet throughout the day, that's not going to work. It has to be everything put together.
Okay, ma'am, break time টা কতটুকু হলে মানে ভালো হয় for my body? Like 4 month আমি অ্যাপেল সিডার ভিনেগার নিলাম, আমি সকালে খাই এবং রাতে খাই। অ্যাপেল সিডার ভিনেগারের পরে আমার সকালে নাস্তা দেখা যায় যে 2টো রুটি, আর আপনি একটু আগে আরেকজন ম্যাম বললেন ডিমের কথা, I also love egg, so একটা পোচড ডিম, আর রাতের বেলা ভিনেগার উইদাউট কার্বোহাইড্রেট, দ্যাটস ইট। এটা 4 মাস করার পরে আমি কতদিনের গ্যাপ নিতে পারবো?
Maybe around 3 months gap, and then we can start them. Yeah, and I don't know why you're not taking any carbohydrates for dinner.
Well, it was instructed by my gym instructor to not take carbohydrate at night, so that I skipped, and now I'm trying to skip the noon also. I'm having vegetables only.
Okay.
Actually, my weight was 82 kg, and now I am 74.
So that is in how many months?
It took 2 to 3 months.
Okay, but remember just one thing I would want to say. Anything that you do, it needs to be sustainable. Okay, that how long are you going to carry on this? Won't you not come back to your own family diet, taking a breakfast, lunch, and dinner? You will, right? So what happened?
Yeah, I do.
What happened? Anyway, good going.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I just want to ask something regarding apple cider vinegar. I've been told by someone that I can eat, I can drink apple cider vinegar in a liter of water throughout the day, sipping it throughout the day. Is it better than having one?
I don't think so. I don't think. I
Okay.
don't think. Yeah. I will not recommend that sipping it throughout the day.
Okay.
I have a question on apple cider vinegar. Since I suffer from hyperacidity and have been on pantoprazole 40 for the last almost 20 years, and I also don't have a gallbladder. Can I also have apple cider vinegar, because even normal vinegar gives me a lot of stomach ache?
Yeah, see, apple cider vinegar does not cause that much of acidity, but I think after having that, your gap with the breakfast should not be too long. Okay, maybe in 45 minutes to 1 hour of time, you need to take a light breakfast.
Right. Thank you.
And since you are saying that you have got acidity problems, so you need to ensure that you eat something or the other every 2.5 hours.
Right. Thank you so much.
Okay. আমার মনে হয় দেবরাজ is there. দেবরাজ শতরূপা শায়ক. দেবরাজ শতরূপা শায়ক. Yes, Gautam.
Just for an input, I have been using apple cider vinegar for quite some time. আর যখন আমার weight loss প্রোগ্রামটা শুরু হয়েছিল, I was around 127. I'd reached around 97 in a period of 8 months odd. And যেটাতে আমি সবসময় দেখতাম, every 3 months I used to go for HbA1c just to measure যে আমার blood sugar fluctuations কি হচ্ছে না হচ্ছে. I could see that my initial HbA1c level was around 6.7, which is very close to marginal level. But till date, after having apple cider vinegar in the morning, 1 tablespoon every day religiously, I've seen that my HbA1c levels have dropped to 5.3 or 5.4.
Okay.
And I didn't have. Yes, ma'am.
No, you continue, please.
And I didn't have any acid refluxes or something of that sort. But yes, I have a pitta dosha because I have tendencies to develop acidity.
Okay. So that is good, but along with that apple cider vinegar, when your HbA1c was above 6, okay, did you also control your carbohydrate in your diet?
Definitely, ma'am.
Yeah. So
I was in a very stringent diet. I used to have not more than 75 grams of veggies only as carbohydrate resources, 125 grams of either lean meat or chicken or paneer, and that was 3 times a day.
Okay.
That's it. And no snacks.
So I think cutting down on the carbs also helps you to reduce your HbA1c, and apple cider vinegar maybe had some impact, but I think a lot of research is required regarding apple cider vinegar, because this is a very new thing that has come up, just maybe a couple of years ago, that people started having apple cider vinegar.
True, ma'am.
Okay. Rook, do you have any question?
Yeah, actually I have one more question.
Yeah.
That is, I've started working out for the past 1 month now. I finish my dinner. I try to finish my dinner by 8 o'clock.
Okay.
And thereafter, I do my exercise for around 2 hours.
Okay.
So after that, I don't eat anything. It's okay for me not to eat anything post exercise, and then it's the whole night, and then in the morning around 10 o'clock, I have my next food.
Okay. Do you have any comorbidities like diabetes?
Yeah, I have diabetes.
You have, right?
But it's under control.
It's under control. I think a bedtime, maybe a cup of milk or a cup of curd or maybe 2 biscuits could be advisable. Because when you exercise after your dinner, okay, your insulin starts working, okay, because exercise helps you in that, okay. So we don't want any episodes of hypoglycemia in the early morning hours.
Okay. Is it okay to have some dry fruits like walnut or fig?
Yeah, maybe around 2-3 walnuts or figs. I don't think it is very advisable. You can take walnuts or you can take maybe 7, 8 of almonds.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Do we have Shatarupa? Shatarupa, Proshno ache kono?
I have just one question, like how intermittent fasting is helpful to reduce our weight. I don't know whether this has been discussed already or not.
Yeah, this has been this was the first question. In
Okay,
fact,
I then missed it.
Yeah. Intermittent fasting is what that you do not eat for 8 hours. You just eat 8 to 12 hours, then you just eat maybe twice in a day, right? But what does science tell us? It tells us that you need to eat frequently, okay, in small amounts to reduce your weight, to improve your metabolism, right?
Right.
And intermittent fasting, I don't think it can be sustainable for a very, very long period of months, okay? And remember, having food or having a lunch, dinner, and your breakfast, it is a family, it's a family. I mean, it is a point where the family members you eat together, right? So I think intermittent fasting can be done for people who are very, maybe morbidly obese, to reduce a couple of kgs and then stop that and come to the conventional way of having the diet, right? And intermittent fasting, it has to be done under the supervision of a professional. Like, in fact, any type of diet, like once when we go to various sites, we see so many diet plans. But remember, each person's diet plan is to be customized, okay? It depends upon the patient's, the person's liking, food habits, okay? Working hours, all that needs to be taken into account to prepare a proper diet chart that's easier for the person to follow. And other ways to be sustainable.
Right. My just one question, like intermittent fasting can lead to any gallbladder problems or something like
No.
And can we do just alternative days intermittent fasting, or do we have to just prolong it for one month if we are doing? If I want to do some alternative days, like one day I'm following and the next day I'm just doing a normal diet.
I just don't know how effective it is going to be if you will follow it in alternate days or say twice in a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Shatarupa. There are some questions. Lopamudra Sengupta has asked, can I take a bit of cheese spread in breakfast? In fact, I love to have cheese sometimes. She is above 50 and suffer from marginal cholesterol problem. And is it advisable to take protein powder if you have pre-diabetes and high BP?
Okay. Let me answer the last question first regarding the protein powder. There are lots of protein supplements that are available today in the medical stores, and you also get it over the counter. You do not need a prescription for many of the protein powders, right? So if you are a diabetic or maybe a pre-diabetic, you need to choose a protein which is sugar-free, okay, so that it doesn't boost up the sugar intake, right? So it needs to be sugar-free. It needs to be diet friendly. It needs to be diabetic friendly, right? That protein powder that you would be taking. Secondly, for hypertension, as we had discussed earlier, reduction of your salt. You can also go for the low sodium salt that is available in the market, which is less amount of sodium in that particular salt. But remember, for the low sodium salt, if there is any renal problem, if there is any kidney problem, where the potassium is high, a low question was regarding, what was it, on intermittent fasting, was it? Rosha, I don't hear you.
The other was a little bit of cheese in the morning sometimes.
Oh yes, cheese. Cheese is what? Cheese is a product, it is a dairy product, right? A cup of milk, a cup means around 150 ml of milk is going to give you approximately 100 kilocalories. So around 90 to around 100 kilocalories, depending upon the type of milk that you're buying, right? From skim milk to tone milk to double tone milk and full cream milk. A slice of cheese, okay, the common brands that we see in the supermarkets, a slice of cheese gives you from around 69 to around 74 kilocalories, right? So a slice of cheese can definitely be taken at time. But for hypertension and diabetes, you need to see that your carbohydrates are spaced and that you have a proper, designed diet plan too.
All right. So do we have anybody else with any question? আমাদের সাথে আজকে যারা আমাদের মোটিভেট গ্রুপের যারা এই জুমে রয়েছে, শায়ক, we did not get your question. Shayok?
I think there was something in the chat box.
Something in the chat box?
From Bangladesh, was it?
Yes, somebody is sending his number to us.
Okay.
And some hi hellos. Shayok, do we have any question? I'm not sure whether.
Not really.
কিন্তু তুমি তো pledge করেছো 21 কিলো.
Yes.
So in the 21 kilos, how are you maintaining your diet? Why don't you discuss? You're getting this opportunity. I know you will physically not go to a dietitian with too much of without pressure. So it's a motivated journey you're getting it. So why don't you ask a question?
The problem is when I start dieting for first 2-3 days, I can continue it, but after that I break it. I mean, the cheat day comes very fast. It means I need to control.
Okay, so how are you following a diet?
I'm reducing the intake of.
You're planning. You're just reducing the amount of food. Is that so?
Exactly. I'm reducing the carbohydrate mainly, and in the dinner I'm trying to get it over by 7:30. I'm not extending the time.
Okay. I think if you see a professional that you'll be getting a diet chart with lots of free foods in between. So these free foods can be added into your diet plan so that you have less amount of hunger pangs.
I have one more question. Does vegan diet help you to lose weight?
No. It ultimately depends upon it is reason because when you talk about the vegan diet, you are not even taking meat, fish, eggs, or even milk, right? But you're taking the fruits and the vegetables and the carbohydrate sources, okay, which is going to add on to your calories. In the vegan diet, you are only meat, fish, and milk out and eggs out, right? Meat, fish, eggs are actually zero carbohydrates. Meat, fish, and eggs. It is zero carbohydrates, right? So it is ultimately the amount of calories that you would take in a vegan diet. So only taking a vegan diet is not going to help you to reduce your weight.
Okay, thanks a lot for clarifying it.
So we are nearly wrapping up the thing. Do we have any?
Rupshadi, I want to, ma'am, I told you the wrong height. My one is 5'7", not 5'4". So okay. What will be my weight? If I
5'7", around say 65, 66, 67 should be fine. Definitely below 70. You are 74, right? So you to get out of at least 7-8 kg.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
7-8 কিলোর প্লেজ কিন্তু রয়েছে, আর শারমিনও মানে সূর্য's ওয়াইফ ও প্লেজ করেছে, বাট ও বলেছিল আজকে কিছু প্রশ্ন থাকবে ওর, বাট হ্যাজ শি সেন্ড দ্য কোয়েশ্চেনস টু ইউ?
No, the some internet problem, so she can't join. So
আচ্ছা
I will share the answer to her.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
She pledged and she already deduct some. She is now 60 kg. Sorry,
Oh.
58 kg. She started from 73 kg.
73 to 58?
Yeah, yeah.
কতদিনে?
2 to 3 months. We started together, Didi.
That is brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant,
I will share the image of the weight scale with you, Didi.
হ্যাঁ না, with you না, আমাদের মোটিভেট গ্রুপে please ask her to share her success story, কারণ these are the stories I think that inspire each inspirer and helps us to keep each other motivated.
Yeah.
And you know, I think these are the two most important gifts we need, motivation and inspiration. ওইটা পেলে কিন্তু সব হয়ে যাবে পৃথিবী, isn't it?
Yeah, Didi.
So do we have any questions from anybody? Then we will go for a wrap.
Rupsha, I just have one question, which is, since we all love to have our vodkas and beers in summer, especially our Bloody Marys and, beer, how often can we indulge in having a drink in a week?
Okay. Rushar, I will take this question, right?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
See, as a dietitian, I cannot tell you what is the the safe limits of having any alcoholic drinks, right?
Right.
Off and on, maybe once in a week, twice in a week, it could be fine, but not too many pegs. And the amount of these snacks that you would be taking with the alcoholic beverages, so that adds into much more of calories.
Right. All
So
right.
more amount
Thank
of
you.
salads than that can be taken, but I cannot tell you what is the safe amount.
All right. Thank you.
যারা আমাদের Motivate 2021 from Calcutta, including the motivators and the inspirers, we have some really interesting news. Karma and Bodyline, Karma Fitness Studio and Bodyline are our fitness partner, and আমরা যারা local কলকাতাতে রয়েছি, we get the privilege of getting free fitness studio, that's gym membership, for 6 months from Karma. So local inspirers, we should team up, we should go to and hit the gym together, because I think together it's always so much fun. And যারা আশেপাশে থাকো, যারা এখানে বাংলাদেশ থেকে রয়েছো, তারাও কিন্তু চেষ্টা করো to form a group which is local, so that this kind of really will help you take it to the next level. And Babita ji, I would like to request you to give us some overall general diet tips. Amra jara ekhon khub determined, keeping in mind that it's summer, the heat is very high, and আমরা কিভাবে নিজেদেরকে হাইড্রেটেড রেখে ডায়েটটাকে ঠিকঠাক রাখতে পারি? That would be a question from my side.
During summer, we need to ensure that our food is safe. So taking cut fruits from the street should definitely be avoided. Always the homemade food is much more hygienic. It is always better to carry your lunchbox, okay, with something which is prepared in the morning. And when you go for street food, we need to ensure. See, we all go for street foods, right? Each one of us, maybe at some time or the other. You need to ensure. I mean, you cannot ensure that they are reusing the oil, so that gives you the badness of the not the good benefits of any oil that's inside in. And to reduce your weight, definitely diet plays a major role. 70% is on your diet, and maybe 30% could be the activity. So when we talk about diet, it is by eating how you're going to reduce weight. By not eating, anyone can reduce weight, right? So how are you going to eat? Eat it right, in the right proportion, with frequent meals. And it has to be seen, everyone likes eating, right? So it is a pleasure for all of us when we go to a restaurant or we go for a beer buddy, right? So we need to ensure the amount of calories and proteins at the end of the day that we have consumed. Along with that, some amount of activity, if not daily, at least five days a week, half an hour each day. That is means you are only walking or maybe jogging or in the gym for around half an hour, 5 days a week.
Wonderful. And with this, I think we have kind of mostly everybody who has logged in today has asked some question apart from Devraj. Devraj, do you have any question?
No, I think there are no questions. All the clarifications have been covered up.
কিন্তু যেহেতু you are in a work zone যেখানে you spend long hours of time outside home, আমার মনে হয় home cooked food এটা যেটা উনি বললেন, what you can carry, what I think that you're getting this opportunity, avail the benefit of having a discussion with Babita ji. Otherwise you have to fix an appointment and go to Apollo, which is of course that's a different experience. Karan, she takes care from knowing your history, doing a complete background thing, giving you something that you will enjoy while you diet. That's what makes Babita ji Hazarika so special. For her appointment, we will share the number on the description. But Devraj, your question.
Madam, good afternoon. My name is Devraj. I work and I don't work from home, typically work from office, which these are the times, the January, February, March, these are the times when I'm working probably 12 hours outside home. Yes, I managed to take my lunch, which is of course rice, shobji, and of course a little bit of fish or chicken or whatever is there. That's the thing. Other than that, since I spend around 10 to 12 hours in office in the least, there is a there is a habit of taking outside food, street food also, for fill-ups during the the evening time and in the late evening time as well.
Yeah.
So my question is that yes, I do have this habit of having jhalmuri, ghugni and stuff in the evening, okay, which is a very normal street food available here. So দুপুরবেলা ভাত খাওয়া হয়, রাত্রেবেলা এসেও most of the times খুব সামান্য অল্প ভাত খাওয়া হয়, which is of course very late. The dinner is pretty late. I really can't afford to have a dinner at 8 o'clock in the evening because that's the time I stay in office. So overall I am about 5'8.5" and I weigh currently about 90 kgs, and I know that BMI index motamoti I need to come down to around another 15 to 17 more kilos. Ami jani I have pledged around 8 kilos for 2021 motivate. So there you are. If you just suggest खूब small.
Carry your lunch. So till lunch, everything is fine, right? So between your breakfast and your lunch, you can definitely carry a fruit. Okay, so that fruit could be in a filling. But like when I tell about fruits, you can take the fruits that are locally available, like pakapepe, mosombi, komla, apple, guava. Okay, these are low calorie fruits that can be in between your breakfast and your lunch. So then you have the lunch box that you have carried from home. After that, maybe you can carry a cup of curd, which you can have it after maybe 2 hours of your lunch. So that gives you a little bit of fullness with that dough, and that is going to also help you as far as GI is concerned, right? Then you can also keep things like that shukno chola, that type of things in your office, so that you can have that during the late evening hours, if not every day, maybe often, okay, and so that is going to keep you filling.
And what do you suggest should I be having for dinner once I come back, because that is also a little bit of
you can have the normal rice, dal, vegetables, chicken, meat. It is just a portion of the rice that you need to restrict. If there are too many potatoes in your vegetables, then rice is to be further reduced, because you will be exchanging the rice or the chapati with the potatoes, because we will only do a lot of exchange.
বুঝতে পেরেছি, ঠিক আছে, thank you
Okay,
thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Babita ji, and thank you
Thank you,
everybody
Babita.
for the first. Yes, Turjo.
Ma'am, one question from my wife. She is having a skin problem. Is it from for the diet or and I have two babies, so she's sometime having ache in his back. Is it for diet or
That
something
is
other?
when you go for a diet. Okay, since you said that you have lost around 8-10 kgs in just 3 months, 4 months, right? That is what you have said. You got down to 58 kgs. So the diet plan should be looked into once again to ensure that there are no micronutrient deficiencies. Okay, and apart from that, after to have a lot of water, lot of fluid, not in the form of juices, but in the form of just normal nimbu pani. Okay, you can put some mint flavored, you can put some dhania patta to make, or maybe some buttermilk. Okay, that is starch. Okay, that she can have just to hydrate herself.
Okay, as Devraj sir said about the fruits, can we take fruits at night? Is it
Yes.
intake more glucose?
No. You can take fruits at night.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Di.
Thank you. Ajke, I think this was the first time, and of course there were some glitches. There was a delay, but overall, at least it was a healthy and a nice beginning. Babita ji, somebody, আমার মনে babita ji তুমি যদি একটু বলে দাও যারা তোমার কাছ থেকে হয়তো দূর থেকে কনসাল্ট করতে চায়, অনলাইন কনসালটেশন, if you can just give us the way যে কিভাবে তোমার সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারে.
They need to call the Apollo number, okay, the board number, and then they will fix up an appointment. And since my number is there, will be there in your screen, they can also call me, or they need to come to the board so that we can do an online consultation. And they need not come to office, to hospital.
Fabulous. So আমি যেটা করব description-এ ওনার সব details দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, and to everybody who joined in with their questions, I hope again sometime next month we will again reunite. And thank you so very much, Babita ji, for your time, for your motivation, for inspiration, and for just being there. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Bye bye, motivators.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.